I've been asked a few times how to make YouTube thumbnails on the iPad. Once you know what you want the thumbnail to be, and you have the picture elements you'll need saved on your iPad, download an app called Over. Open the app and select the background picture. Then scroll along the bottom where you'll find the YouTube thumbnail option. Click it and you now have it in the correct dimensions. The app is free and has some basic but very useful options like layers and text overlay with a good selection of fonts. The app has a paid version, but so far I've not felt the need as it offers a lot in the free version. You can do all this and more in Affinity Photo, but having a separate app that has all the correct dimensions for various sites is extremely useful on its own. You can move the layers around and delete them very easily, and once you've finished, just click here to save it to your camera roll.